Responder is going to be deciding which level and which denomination. So that means the opener is just the describer. Sometimes as opener, we tend to want to just take what we know and bid something. But we have to be very restrained and realize that we're just the describer in the partnership. And the responder is going to take our point ranges that we show them on our rebid and decide which level and which denomination. So there are 4 types of rebids for opener. The good news is 2 of them have the same set of ranges. If opener raises responder's suit or rebids their original suit. So what do those auctions look like? Let's see. Let's say opener starts with 1 club and responder bids 1 heart. Now what we're describing here is opener raises responder's suit. So that means opener rebids hearts, raising responder suit. Could be 2 hearts, could be 3 hearts, could be 4 hearts, but they're raising responder's suit. The second type of auction that goes under this range here is if opener rebids their original suit. So if they open 1 club, let's have responder bid 1 heart, and opener rebids their original suit, promising a 6-card suit. 1 club rebidding 2 clubs promises 6, or perhaps 3 clubs, sometimes 4 clubs, but we don't like to go past 3 now. So rebidding the original suit shows the same point range as raising responder suit. And that point range is right here. If opener does either of these auctions, they're showing 13 to 16, non-jump, just simple raise. 17 to 18, that's a jump bid. And 19 to 21, that's a double jump bid. That's bidding to gain. It's a little confusing with that 19 to 21 point hand. If it's a minor that you're jumping to show the 19 to 21, then your game is 3-0. You're not going to double jump in the minor because that takes you past 3-0. And if your game is in a major, then with 19 to 21 points, the opener is going to jump to 4 hearts or 4 spades. So, as responder, you have to listen. You have to listen to the opener's rebid to know which of the ranges they are placing their hand.